Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how solve Tinder. You don't have permission to access. To know how to fix how to solve Tinder, you don't have permission to access. You should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list of apps you will search about the application of Tinder and you will enter. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem you have. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.